Ladies and gentlemen, this is a video tutorial dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called BlackZluk. BlackZluk is a ransomware targeting many Windows computers these days. This ransomware is called like that because it actually encrypts files and also appends this special BlackZluk extension to the file names. As a consequence, it is just impossible to use the files. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom in this ransom note. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus application such as Cleaner. The best place where you can get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Go to the page combocleaner.com. You will see a special green download Combo Cleaner button, so install the software through the official website. Install the application and then start the software. The application will be initially in the trial mode, by the way, and I forgot to mention that it is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android and iOS, of course. After you start the software, it will be in the trial mode initially, so only quick scan option is available. You need to click on the Start Scan button, and then the application will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer, but most likely it would first of all update its anti-malware database. This is essential for proper detection of this ransomware or other threats, so do not skip this very important step. And then finally, after the antivirus database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed. Definitely some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, your data would always be under the protection from further ransomware or malware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data. So Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data with the anti-ransomware feature. As for the file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.